How to fix Amazon account temporarily locked. So I'm going to explain what you can do. If your account gets locked, then the first thing you have to do is check your email address. You will get an email from Amazon saying account on hold or temporarily locked. And the next step that you have to take is try to sign into your Amazon account. So once you are on the Amazon website, once you try to sign in, it is going to tell you the steps you need to take in order to recover your account. Now, some people on Reddit have reported also that they received a phone number in the email, which they got from Amazon, and they called the number, the Amazon support number, and they help them unlock their account. But basically your account gets locked because of some suspicious activity, and you can either try signing in, like I explained. You sign in, you follow the prompts that you get, or you call the number which you got from the email directly from Amazon, and they will help reinstate your account. I hope this answers your question and helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.